This short movie will teach you how to order a domain name with a Whois protection enabled from the Reseller Control Panel. Once you log into your Reseller Control Panel, go and click on the Domain Manager link located in the Private Label section of the left-hand navigation menu. This will take you straight to the Domain Registration Transfer Wizard, from where you can order your reseller domain name with the Whois protection service enabled. First, you need to select the desired reseller domain name and type it into the domain lookup form. Then select the preferred TLD for your domain from the TLD checkbox located under the search form. Next, click on the search button to check if your domain name is available. In the search results, you will see domain names that are available and which of them supports a Whois protection service. Mark the Whois protection checkbox for a domain if you wish to have its Whois information protected from the public eye. If you wish to register your domain for several years at a time, use the drop-down menu on the right. There you will see a list of all registration periods supported by the particular TLD. The number of years you select to register your domain name for will be immediately reflected in the Whois protection period. This will affect the service price accordingly.